only one to see secrets locked inside of me. You were the only one.
How's it going, everyone? It's Matt EMAX97 here, and I just wanted to officially announce that EAS Convention 2019 is about to be underway. Expect some videos on my channel, probably on SBC Cranford's channel as well. We do plan on live streaming several times this week, as much as we can. It'll be as similar as possible to some of the other conventions, although there's a lot of other things happening as well. Just gonna be a really exciting week. Just expect some videos. Just wanted to let you guys know. Like I said, live streams coming on my channel, and probably Matt Schreier's channel as well. So we'll see you guys later.
Reach for me!